Alam mo ba yung painter ng Spolarium? Yep, si Juan Luna. Talented AF. Pero grabe, may teleserye sa buhay niya. Spolarium won a gold medal sa Spain. Pinoy Pride, PH. It showed dead gladiators. Super dramatic, super deep. People were like, wow, ang galing ng Pinoy. Pero behind the art, may chismis. Si Luna, sobrang seloso. Akala niya niloloko siya ng asawa niya. Ayun, sa galit, he shot her. Yung painter ng sadness sa canvas, naging sadness sa totoong buhay. So, more of the story, magaling si Luna. Pero, wag gaya ng ugali. Keep your drama in your art, not in your life.
Yeah.